that by taking the all considering all the aspects what we have learned today, I think from this lecture you will be also having the idea if you will come across to this type of the phenomena or this type of the structure, that if it is EC1111, then what type of the enzyme it is, what should be the structure of that, which type of the substrate will be utilized, and which type of the reaction will be catalyzed by this enzyme on that substrate. So I think this will give you much understanding, better understanding about learning the enzymes and learning the nomenclature and classification of the enzyme. So we are here very thankful to all of you for listening us patiently, and that is all right now from here. Once again, thank you very much, sir.
So, dear friends, you have learned a lot about naming and classifying the enzyme in today's discussion, in the discourse given by both of us. Now, next time, whenever you read in the book about typical enzymatic names, just try to identify by yourself whether it is a trivial name or it is a systemic name, or what EC number could be given to this, or under which EC number this enzyme must have been listed. Another thing I would like to recommend you very strongly is to visit the website of this commission, wherein you are requested to look into the information about any one enzyme, and an elaborate set of guidelines given over there regarding naming and classifying the enzymes. The rules are so much elaborate that it is really a challenging task to name an enzyme, especially when you have thousands and thousands of enzymes. Every day new information about the new enzymes is pouring in, and the commission need to update its database very often. The list grows by leaps and bounds, and also your predecessors have left behind a lot of confusion. They have used the name of the enzyme in an ambiguous manner. Enzymes have wrongly been named, reactions have wrongly been identified and classified. So amidst correcting all this, you have to reclassify the new enzymes. So